Today we're gonna make a kale salad with a lemony Greek twist. Let's get cooking. Hey, I'm Chef Alexia and I'm here to teach you how to cook. If you're new, make sure that you subscribe and you will find the recipe in the link below. We're gonna start first with some cauliflower. So I'm making a kale cauliflower lemony salad. What I want you to do first is you could buy rice cauliflower, or I'm going to show you real quick how to make this happen. So you want to take the florets and just use your knife and just go against the little couscous-like grains on top of the cauliflower and just cut it out. You do not want to use too much of the root. You just want to take the part away from the root. The rest of it, you could make it a fantastic mashed cauliflower. I love doing it. And now you could have used the food processor, but I just don't want to bother with washing it, so I'm just showing you a quick version of it. We're going to give it a rough chop. And there you have it, very nice and quickly. I'm going to put that to the side. Next step, we're going to chop some parsley. And you could find this recipe in my new cookbook. There's 84 more fantastic recipes that you could find at my website, oneweekchef.com. Parsley is very commonly used in Greek cuisine, and I love it on salads because it's so refreshing. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is, of course, put some olives. I have green olives here, and we're gonna roughly chop those as well, so we could keep the flavor while we're eating the salad. Make sure your olives are pitted. Put that to the side as well. Our next step is we're gonna make a small vinaigrette. So what I have here is lemons. So I'm gonna squeeze about half a cup for the portion that I have. I love this handy equipment because it basically saves so much time from picking up seeds. Great. And here I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder. You could also use fresh garlic. I just like that the garlic powder doesn't give you that breath afterwards. So let's just put a little bit of that. And some salt. We're going to mix it as is without the olive oil yet, and I'm going to show you why. I have the chopped kale right here. Kale is a very hard leafy green, so it's important that we finely chop it if we're not gonna cook it, which in this case we're not gonna cook it. And we're gonna add first the lemon juice with the salt and the garlic. The reason why we put only the lemon juice and the salt is because this will tenderize our kale. And we're using our hand. Just make sure that your hands are clean because this is served raw. Or if you're serving a big group, make sure that you use gloves. Now this is for me and I washed my hands already. So by doing this, we're wilting the kale and it's gonna be easier to eat. I'm gonna go wash my hands. And now it's time to finish the salad with our parsley. Just put all of that in there. Cauliflower, the green olives. We're gonna add a touch more salt, not too much because the olives are a little bit salty. We just wanna season the cauliflower. And finish it off with fantastic La Diviosa's extra virgin olive oil, hand-picked. You could find the link below. We're gonna mix all that up. Taste it and adjust the seasoning. Oh my God, it's fantastic. Time to plate it. If you like this recipe and you would like to see more, make sure you hit the notification button, subscribe, like, and leave me a comment below. Such a phenomenal variation of a kale salad with a lot of Greek lemon.